Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to a truly unique home, built by us in the heart of the Costa Rican rainforest. Traveling as the pandemic began, we stumbled upon a magical piece of land. We camped for months, immersing ourselves in the rainforest's beauty. This is where the idea for our dream home sprouted. Sustainability and minimal impact were paramount. We wanted to spend most of our days outdoors, truly connecting with nature. We were determined to design and build as much as possible ourselves, creating a home that felt like an extension of the environment. The house is a testament to self-reliance. Most of the structure and furniture were handcrafted using local laurel wood. Electricity and water systems were also built off-grid by my partner, who even designed the lighting concept. The light corrugated roof and slender columns are built to withstand seismic activity. Rainwater is collected from the roof, while curtains provide flexible protection during heavy downpours. The design is simple and adaptable, perfect for this dynamic environment. Spaces flow seamlessly, defined by the surrounding rainforest. Natural clay flooring and platforms rise from the ground, creating a connection with the earth. At night, warm light illuminates the columns and surrounding nature, creating a magical ambience. We built around existing trees, only removing a few dangerous branches. The open design allows for natural ventilation, preventing heat and humidity buildup. We coexist with the wildlife, from monkeys and parrots to the occasional snake. This house isn't just a shelter, it's a sensory experience. We feel every change in the environment, from the wind and temperature to the countless sounds and smells. It's a constant connection with the wonders of the rainforest. Would you ever consider building your own home in nature? Share your thoughts on sustainable living in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.